In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR codes for Paperform. Whether you're a business owner looking to streamline your customer engagement or just someone who loves the convenience of quick access, generating QR codes for your forms on Paperform can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and walk you through each step of the process. To begin, you'll need to log in to your Paperform account. Once you're in, navigate to the particular form that you wish to share using a QR code. If you're managing multiple forms, make sure to choose the one that you want to generate the QR code for. This is quite straightforward. Simply click on the form and you'll land on the form's main page. Next, you'll want to locate the share button. Once you find it, click on it. You'll see several options, but for this process, you'll select the option labeled Social and URL. Upon selecting this option, a pop-up window will appear, displaying your form's unique link. This link is what we will convert into a QR code. Now, the spotlight feature we're interested in here is situated right next to the link in the pop-up. Look for the QR code button. It's typically placed conveniently to the right of the link. Give that button a click, and voila! Paperform will instantly generate a QR code for you. It's worth taking a moment to appreciate how seamlessly Paperform integrates this feature, making it easier for you to share your forms in a more dynamic way. At this point, you have a couple of options on how to proceed with the QR code. If you're eager to test it out right then and there, you can simply scan the code directly using your smartphone or any QR code scanner you have at hand. This is a neat way to ensure the QR code works perfectly and directs users to the correct form link. Alternatively, if you're planning to use the QR code in printed materials, presentations, or online publications, you have the option to download it as an image file. To do this, click on the download option provided and the image file will save to your device. Having this file allows you to embed the QR code wherever you need it, expanding the ways you can share access to your form. And just like that, you're all set with your very own QR code for your paper form. This small tool can make a huge difference in how efficiently you get your forms into the hands of your audience. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide makes creating QR codes on Paperform a breeze for you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital toolkit.